Hi, in this video you will learn how you can delete several Facebook posts. At the same time, for this video I recommend that you have normal Facebook, not Facebook Lite, so that we can have the same visualization and several options. We are going to go over live Facebook, and we are going to go to the upper right corner where our live icon here, and we are going to enter our ProLive and edit ProLive in 3 points here, and we can see activity log, press in, and your Facebook activity. We must press here and we can see post information and enter in manage post. Okay, you can also select all and delete absolutely everything you have published or Facebook. In filters, categories, all or any specific, or enter one for one and recycle bin. And this is all, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit and course activity notification bell.